shitting this camera.
Is it rolling?
Yes.
Wow.
And not focused.
What if Z's just run without this?
That isn't it like the source of
It's just running like this. There's like nothing hooked up. Don't need to hook anything up.
That's your stock cylinder head temp sensor.
Hardwired to the harness, but it's hooked up.
That's one way to do that.
Oh, won't come
Why
loose.
do they do it like that? What you're supposed
I don't know.
What you're supposed to do is put that sensor there, because that is an OEM dry sensor, and it sucks. If you look up like maintenance on a Z31 on Google these days, that's the first thing that's gonna pop up.
I don't think I've ever like looked anything up about this.
Look it up right now, and I'm betting you the first thing that pops up is relocating the cylinder head temp sensor.
I just do shit kind of willy-nilly.
Well, Google this willy-nilly.
Hey, who took this off? Oh my god! This was off too!
Well,
Dude, it ran so good.
Maybe the real lesson here is that half the shit in the engine bay just isn't even necessary.
Maybe
Yeah.
All of this.
I don't think anything's wrong with the car.
Dude.
I think we just shut the hood, roll it back out, we're good to go. Is that the oil pan? You could jack it up from somewhere that you can actually pump the jack handle.
Hold on. This is how I do it. Ah!
Good catch.
This is the last time this car's gonna run until like probably like months. Because I'm probably not gonna put it fully back together, and then I'm just gonna start doing harness stuff.
Well, why? Why don't you
Do you have a vice grip?
put it back
Do you
together?
have a vice grip? Watch your toes. All right. Hooray. Yeah.
How did this thing run? You got no vacuum lines hooked up either. I don't know how you want to go about labeling all this.
That's why I'm starting with like the OEM connectors over here that are like easy.
I didn't do that right now.
That was also missing the clip.
This entire car has just been, David, what the fuck? And then me being like, you need that?
Yeah, wow, the wiring in this car is horrifying.
It's really bad. This car should have burnt to the ground already.
So, you know what's weird to me, David?
But
This is the stock connector for the cylinder head temp sensor, but this is what was connected to it. So like what? But the wires are still connected. to
it's
it.
open
That-
for interpretation.
But that's like the most important sensor on this car. I just had to unplug the O2 sensor.
Wow, this is fucking shitty. Alright, so this is waiting until last, it feels like.
What?
Or we can just do that because fuck that.
Speed run, heads off in an hour, guys. The advisors, the customer's waiting. Dude, guys, look at this kit. This thing is so awesome. Wow. Hooray.
Yay.
You can live.
Where'd that little bit
Oh yeah, I cleared the table somewhat. Not actually, that's a lie. It's a good place to keep it. Yeah, that's not, I mean, now I just have to take the manifold off.
Yes, sir.
But,
What?
I don't have any Allens.
That's
go?
an
We can
issue.
go to my house and go pick some up. I've got a whole fucking rail of them.
Bro, I'm not using no fucking Allen keys to take this engine apart.
Nice. Starting the probe. Are we hopping into the Caprice?
We have a Saab too. And we have a
I
Caprice.
blocked you in.
Oh.
And I'm blocking you in.
That fits.
Guess we're taking the probe.
That fits.
Yay! We got keys.
There
Wait,
you
all
go.
going in the probe?
There you
It has
go.
4 seats.
There you go.
Okay.
There you go.
Dear God. Wait, why? You couldn't-
there's a fucking 1/8" drive.
No.
Careful.
Where's my set? Give me the set.
Here's your set.
Oh my god, I forgot the extension thing. That's not even
No.
remotely happen.
Remotely.
Remotely.
Oh
Let me go lock the front door.
Are we all going right now? Might as well.
Yeah, just keep an eye on the head gauge.
We're at O right now.
That's where it's supposed to sit. It's between O and R.
Alright, I'm not used to a car that actually stops after driving that Caprice for so long.
That big brake kit baby. It's like high carbon rotor size. It sounds pretty good. It's got blast pipes.
Actually, I do really like how this engine sounds.
I like the sound.
It sounded a lot better if my flex pipe wasn't
Oh my
so
god.
low now. But yeah, it's something.
Hey, that wasn't satisfying.
Do the next. Well, at least pull that one out first.
All the way?
Yeah. You don't have to pull it out like that. Alright.
Well,
We're pulling them out like this, you know.
I'm gonna beat him up, but it's all my fault. You wanna do the head bolts too?
You're gonna give me that honor?
Actually, it might not, just because I. Now that I'm thinking about it,
You were too excited.
only because I do want to feel if they're unevenly torqued. Like I want my hands on it to be able to feel like that they're unevenly torqued. Because if it is a like blown head gasket or warped, an easy way to know is like when you turn, you got a leak one and a tight one. Oh. Huh. Do you guys see what I'm seeing?
Holy fuck!
Holy
Well.
fuck.
What the fuck?
That's probably when my car was running like dog shit.
Where did it
Oh,
go?
you don't say.
And that's why that bolt wasn't fucking tight.
Let me get a picture of it. What the fuck?
Well, I knew
I guess we're going to my house and getting that intake you
I
left
have
there.
like 8.
What the fuck?
It was running as okay.
Okay, so it ran
was.
like with that,
It did
no
run like
distributor
shit.
fucking main signal wire hooked up.
And it ran sassy. This end of it just broke off. I don't even know how that happened.
Come on.
Is it just it didn't like the amount of boost it was going to it? Like
No way it would blow out the intake like that.
man, it got too much power, man.
Why is this the stretchiest vacuum hose in front of you?
That is wild.
Hey,
Johnny, bro, what the fuck?
you want to see something on David's car that's really cool? Okay, fine. Look at that.
What the fuck is that?
That's the intake broken. There's supposed to be a like a bolt spot here.
Like, this is fall off? Was it never there?
The manifold cracked.
Here, hold this. I'm gonna try to find
The
it.
manifold fucking must have cracked and it's broken off. I think this might be my running issue.
Yeah, that might be the reason why it ran like shit.
Here, look, here's the other half.
I think we can glue that back
JB
together.
Welding.
Yeah.
You were the one that just said that the exhaust gases in the engine bay could possibly cause the thing to go off.
That's the most insane thing ever. No, I mean like what I mean by that is like if it passes through like outside into like where I'm like sucking it up. If I could
Gotcha.
explain it, you would understand.
No, I get you,
But,
man.
okay. Well.
Just drape it somewhere. And
Yeah,
this
right
one
over the
too,
ignition
like
parts.
no.
George. George.
Oh, that's where all the gas was.
In my fucking eyeballs.
I'll pull on the hose as we pull up on the.
Alright, hooray. Fucking broken ass manifold. Okay, that's gasoline.
Do you want me to fucking take the oil thing out from under the car? 'Cause I can.
Nah, this is, you gotta reuse, reduce, recycle over here. Excuse me. Okay, Picasso will like it.
God, it's all over the side of your fucking
It's so worth it, guys.
Not the paint.
Oh no.
Ooh, 20 cents of gas. Which V-band are you referring to?
The one closest to the. It should be like right in your face, right there.
Oh, it's behind me. Okay.
What is that? That one's tight. Yeah, this is like, I'm getting some really loose ones and some really tight ones.
Well, that's probably not good for the health of a head gasket.
That's tight.
Why the fuck did you put these on like this?
Sorry, I'm retarded.
Literally facing them.
It's okay, might be over soon.
It was like 12 foot-pounds.
Oh no.
These head bolts. Sure, that's an 8?
Oh, this is a 10. I'm looking!
Wait, was it a shallow 8?
Yeah.
Dude!
It was.
Fuck!
No way.
Was that dead loose?
Yeah. Then this one's like,
Where's the 8?
I hope that's not warped.
How the fuck was this running?
No signal to distributor. Broken intake.
No,
Nut
like,
heads aren't tight.
you're missing it. The fucking, like, lower, like, the outer passenger fucking
No,
head.
I can hear when they're tight, and I can hear when they're not.
there were ones you did not hear.
I know, because you're just going, oh, every time you find that.
Because it's horrifying.
That is pretty crazy. What are you looking for?
An 8 for the 976th time.
You want a shallow 8?
It doesn't matter.
Here's a shallow 9. We like to party. We like to party.
When you put these hose clamps back on, can you make sure they're accessible next time?
No.
Okay.
Someone's gonna steal my turbo.
No one's gonna fucking steal shit off this car.
That's so mean. Why would you say that?
Just keep pulling. You're totally...
It's hard to pull from there.
Oh,
That's on the floor.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yikes. You know, let's just put one fucking 10mm bolt back here.
You know, if you told me that was back there, I could have had that off like minutes ago.
I forgot it was back there until I tried to lift the cylinder head off. And I'm like, this feels funny.
The one on this side too.
Yeah. It's at the front though, because they snap the same head.
I see it.
Mm.
They're like, yeah, let's stamp the same head on either side. It's a little wet.
You want to do it?
Boy. Oh, it doesn't really look like
Speaking
you
of.
did much of this. Well, it's not really an accurate assessment because the coolant just went fucking everywhere.
There it is. Yep. That's it. Burnt up there, burnt up there. Yeah, she's cooked. Yeah, burnt.
Nice. Well,
Good to know. It's bad. Oh, interesting.
coated in coolant.
Oops.
Get the floor first.
Still got plenty of cross hatching from what I can see.
Yeah, I did
There's your
more. I
random tab.
did what's it called?
Hone it.
Hone it. Yeah, I did hone these cylinders. Mike's not letting me pee.
No peeing in this house.
I'm aware.
We hold them.
If you want to start grabbing head bolts, these two you can't take out. Just make sure you get the washers too. I just dropped one. Fuck. Hey, pass me the magnet real quick.
Where are you putting these?
I put them on this bench over there. Oh my God.
You don't need to do anything with the dipstick tube or nothing. You can just pull everything off around it.
I guess. I might pull the dips.
All right, here. I'll stand there and I'll help you lift it up. It's I borrow some of those paper towels.
You ready?
Not yet. I'm not in there yet.
Okay.
That's one way to do that.
Ready? Okay, we're stuck.
The dipstick is severely in our way.
You're almost out of it though.
Here.
I got it. I'm holding it.
See that? The exhaust is stuck in the trans as well.
We're gonna have to at least loosen that manifold. I have to pee, or I'm gonna die. If you want to see the head gasket, there it is.
It's stuck in the dipstick too.
Yeah, we have to loosen all that.
Well,
You
like
can pull
that
the head.
stupid
Just
12 and shit goes.
Here,
I can
slide
start
that
cracking.
Alright, there you go. We can do that. Just because those bolts are gonna snap, they're not heat treated.
Gotcha.
Alright, well, at least we got the head gasket.
Yeah. Anything else before I leave?
I'm probably also heading out with him because I'm walking him in.